Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So on to this video, I'm going to share my honest experience after using this Neutrogena Skin Perfecting 7% AHA and PHA blend plus hyaluronic acid. So basically this is a daily liquid exfoliant, and this is for dry skin. So the color pink is for dry skin, and they also have varieties of colors such as blue and green depending on your skin concern. So if you have combination skin type, then you might choose for the combination, and if you have the oily skin type, then you might choose the other color. So for me, I had a dry skin type, so I choose the pink color. So anyway, before I'm going to start talking about this product, this video is not a sponsored video. I personally purchased mine, and just in case you are here in United States, Target and Amazon has this product. I am not sure if Walmart has this one, but you can check it out in Amazon and Target, and for sure they have this one. So anyway, this video is not a sponsored video. I personally purchased mine in Target, and you can also check this out in Amazon. I am not sure if Walmart has this one, so maybe just give it a try just in case you are interested. I am not promoting on this product, but I am just giving you a hint just in case you wanting to try on this one. So anyway, let's start talking on this one. So of course, this contains an AHA and PHA. So this is the alpha hydroxy acid. I'm pretty much sure if you love skincare and you love everything about, you know, beauty products, you are familiar with this one because it's very common right now to have an AHA on a certain product. So this is the alpha hydroxy acid. Common example for this one is the glycolic acid and of course the lactic acid. But since this one in the ingredient, it says that this has a glycolic acid. So glycolic acid, it derived from a sugar cane. So that is their AHA on this product. So the main function of AHA is of course to exfoliate the top layer of our skin. It helps to brighten our skin. So if you have discoloration, melasma, hyperpigmentation, then glycolic acid or this AHA may help to exfoliate this one. But as I've always say, there is no magic in everything. So it takes a while before your problem, your skin problem can be totally resolved. So let us all remember this one, that as we age, everything slows down, including our natural skin cell cycle or turnover. So we really need to exfoliate, because if we don't exfoliate, this may lead to another problem causing like build up, and this may lead to premature aging, acne, and some other concerns or other skin problem. So now let's continue talking on this one. So aside from the AHA, this contains a PHA, which is the polyhydroxy acid. This is very gentle, almost the same benefit with the AHA. It's for skin brightening, anti-aging, and it improves our skin texture. It exfoliates the top layer of our skin, so which is very gentle. Plus, of course, this has a hyaluronic acid, which is very great for our skin, especially if you have a dry skin type. So now I am going to share my honest experience when I use this one. So basically, I am using this one during nighttime. I don't use any exfoliator during daytime, just to be safe, because I don't want that my skin can have irritation, because I have a brown skin, and once this will be irritated, it's very easy to pigment. So that's the reason I am very gentle and I'm very careful on what I apply in the morning and what I apply at nighttime. So although this is very gentle, it's AHA and PHA, but of course it's very sensitive for sunlight, so I prefer to use this one during nighttime once a day only. And I always apply some sunscreen. I don't forget to apply some sunscreen because I don't want to have an irritation or skin damage onto my skin, like melasma, hyperpigmentation, because it's very easy for us, like for my skin type, to pigment. So this is very easy. First, I am just going to, it's just basic, like, you know, you wash your face and you cleanse your face, and sometimes when I am not lazy, I am going to apply some toner, then I apply this one, then I apply with moisturizer. So but most of the time during the whole week, there are times that I don't apply some toner because I feel like my face after washing, it's already clean. So I use, by the way, the Cetaphil. Every time I am using a new product, I use a very mild cleanser onto my face, which is the Cetaphil, and then I use this one, and I use this St. Ives Clear Skin, but I like the other one, the different brand, but I ran out of that, so I am using this type, but this is still okay to use. And of course, I followed with this type of moisturizer. This is the Clear Collective Moisturizer Prebiotic. This is very gentle also. So this is what I use during the whole week when I am testing this Skin Perfecting Daily Liquid Exfoliant. So as what I've mentioned, I don't feel anything when I use this product. I don't feel burning sensation, I don't feel like tingling sensation, I don't feel hurting onto my skin. It's just like I am putting some water onto my skin. That's how I feel. However, this may vary because some are just too sensitive. I mean, their skin are really sensitive and it matters from one another, so you really have to do like patch testing before applying anything onto your skin, just to avoid irritation onto your skin. Do some patch test if you like the product, and if you feel like the product is okay, it's very gentle onto your skin, then that's the time you're going to apply onto your face. So anyway, I am now going to show you how I use this one. So my face is already clean, as what I've mentioned. I already washed my face, but I just have my lip gloss. So I love to use this toner. So this toner can help also in minimizing pores, but we all have pores. We are humans, so that's okay. But my only concern is my under eye dark circle, which is very obvious. So after I apply the toner, then that's the time I am going to apply this one when I feel like my face is already clean and dry. So basically, it depends on your preference. The direction said you can apply using your fingertips, or you can also apply using your cotton ball or round cotton pad, or whatever you call this one. So it's just depending on your preference. But for me personally, I love to put this one using my fingertips because I feel like it's very relaxing onto my face. And this has, by the way, no fragrance, and I think no paraben. I am not sure on that, but the ingredients on this one is very gentle. So this don't have a fragrance, so just in case you have a very sensitive skin, then this is like a must try product, because sometimes fragrance can trigger skin irritation, and this one it don't have, which is, I really like it. I really like it. Honestly, I love it. So I don't apply it closer on my eyes and onto my neck. And feels so nice and smooth. I just like to close my eyes because I don't want any product to goes onto my eyes. It's not sticky also, it's just, for me, it feels like a water, which is, I really like it. And after that, I'm going to apply this clarifying prebiotic moisturizer. So if you're interested on listening about this moisturizer, prebiotic, then I already had a video. Just check onto my playlist. So this is how it looks right now, and I would personally say that for me this is really amazing. And for a week of using this one, I can feel and I can see it that there is an improvement onto my skin texture. Of course, I still have the pores, but I can really tell that the skin has brightened. It feels like it's glowing. So that's how I would describe this one subjectively, and I feel like this is really effective. So anyway, that's all about it, and I do hope I give you insight just in case you are also interested in purchasing this one. I would say this product is a must try. I would say that because on my skin it feels super amazing. It feels like my skin is glowing. So anyway, thank you so much for watching and listening onto my video. I do hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye.